Chelsea look to edge closer to the title. David Luiz put under pressure by Lingard. Here goes Rashford, took it early. Now can Manchester United break? It's a terrific ball. Rashford in goal side of David Luiz. And he takes the opportunity. 7 minutes in. First blood Manchester United. Marcus Rashford with his 5th Premier League goal of the season. Herrera the provider. Rashford the scorer.
I can't tell you how good this ball is from Herrera, and that's the big decision here. Was that a handball?
Rashford out from Lingard. Here goes Young. In towards Rashford. And he couldn't.
And Ashley Young does the right thing. And if Rashford just takes a chance.
Terrific strength from Rashford to hold off Moses. Well, that was towards Lingard. Important.
This is the area Rashford has missed service into the box, and Lingard's right there. Maybe it's
Pogba. This time here for Ashley Young.
And it doesn't. The referee's assistant was right there. But this ball back to Ashley Young is at an angle where he just had to adjust himself.
There's the burst of pace from Rashford. Moses thought he'd won it back. Back in from Rashford, off the head of Kane.
Moses is really lucky here because he gets a slight bit of contact on Rashford as he's trying to recover. And if he takes...
Slightly behind Pedro, but he kept it going. And then Herrera in ahead of Hazard, and then Diego Costa. Here's Lingard, Fellaini. Oh, and Ashley Young got right. No changes from Manchester United either. And it will be the home team to get the second half underway, to get there ahead of Lingard, and did. It's still alive. Herrera, deflected, and in. 2-0 Manchester United. And Herrera with his first Premier League goal since February of last year. And the Premier League leaders are 2 down at Old Trafford.
Young puts the ball in such a dangerous area there. And Conte trying to control it instead of clearing it.
Now Rashford. And then Lingard.
Just looking at each other, trying to figure this out. And how Manchester United are having this.
Azpilicueta. Darmian didn't make it. And as it stands, remember Spurs would still only be 4 points behind the leaders. Here's Rashford!
Uncharacteristic giveaways. Another sloppy play out of the back. Well done from Fellaini to force the turnover, and what a first-time pass.
Space for Pedro. Pedro. Rashford did really well. He's done unbelievably well. And he's denied by man on there. Young. 11 Premier League matches. Manchester United have beaten Chelsea, and Jose Mourinho has